My friend suggests to get up early in the morning and go for the studies. No, but my cousin, she was school topper last year. She was studying late night. What should I do? Yes, student, parents, today I would share the solution regarding this topic, timetable management. Myself, Pradeep Sahajwani, teaching the mathematics right from 18 years. So, student, parents, you know the human nature. Some shortcomings, and I think most of the human nature, insecurity, comparisons, following the others, which leads to the lot of confusions. So before starting that all perfect ideal timetable, I would say that those students, those viewers, if you are habitual to see the animation 3D effects like that video, so don't watch this video. And this video, if you want to get the benefited at all, so you listen word to word. Okay, student, parents, so let us start. Student, parents, today I would share the perfect timetable, an ideal timetable which suit to everyone and you can achieve the maximum marks. So student, 6 o'clock in the morning is a perfect time to wake up and go for the studies. So first of all, at 6 o'clock, you get to refresh yourself, take a light exercise and cup of tea or coffee with a biscuit, and 6:30 to 7. Listen me carefully, 6:30 to 7 only I am giving you one target. What a target? You take out your interesting topic, whatever you like. In a mathematics, suppose you like the trigonometry, or in the physics you like to do the numerical, or in the chemistry you would like to do the periodic table or balancing the chemical equation, or in the history, civics, geography, whichever is the perfect topic, you do half an hour only one question, one or two question which should be challenging, and hardest question you solve 5 marks question, only half an hour to energize yourself, to make a build up the confidence. So student, now 7 to 9:30 you fix for the social studies. In social studies you start with the topic which you have not done, which was untouched yet. If you have not started, suppose the civics, not started the history, you start with that. And in the social study, remember student how to learn, underline the important topics, underline important lines, notes with the pencil. Then you talk loudly, say it loudly the answer in front of the mirror, or if possible any family member is free, so you tell him to cooperate you and you can tell to the family member, or you can use the mirror. In front of mirror, if you will say loudly, it will be remember properly. 9:30 to 10 you take a breakfast with relaxed mind. Okay, but prefer the healthy breakfast, don't take a spicy food. Now student, 10 to 1 you fix for the mathematics, because now you are getting energized, now you are having the potential to do something. Now 10 to 1 you start the mathematics, and again I am reminding you, in mathematics you start the topic which you have not done or which is untouched yet. Okay, for example, probability not done, volume surface area not done, statistics not done, you start with that topic and gradually you move to the easier topic which you have done. So finish your mathematics from 10 to 1, but listen, in again mathematics, do it by writing. Don't see the solution. Some of the students are habitual to see the solution. First you see the solution, then cover the solution and try to do yourself. Not single question you must attempt without writing. Without writing the solution, don't attempt that question. Please, if you are doing the question which you know very well, if you want to do again revision, so don't see steps, don't see the step. If you are doing the proof of the basic proportionality theorem, so do it again. Pen and paper, use the pen and paper in the mathematics. Do take care, don't use the mobile calculator, because some of the students say they do the simple calculations or any tough calculation even by the mobile. So keep away that gadgets, calculator, mobile, do it yourself. Longer multiplication, division, do it yourself. This is my request. Okay student? Now student, 1 to 2, a time of relax and for some creative activity. If you want to do any creative activity, drawing or listening the music for 5 to 10 minutes, and the nap. Listen, 1 to 2, how to divide? Lunch, relax time, and with a short nap of 15 to 20 minutes, not more than. Okay student, don't get sleep the longer hours, longer time. You get the short nap. You heard about the Japanese government and most of the departments, they provide the 10 to 15 minutes to the Japanese worker for short nap so that they can energize and get the proper potential for the further work. Now student, 2 to 5:30 you fix for the science, physics, chemistry, biology. And physics, if you want to do the ray diagram, so do it by writing, do it by making the ray diagram. Don't see the ray diagram only. Okay, draw it properly, lens diagram, mirror diagram, ray diagram, all that. And fundamental of electricity, electromagnetic induction, do it properly by drawing the figure, motor, generator. In chemistry, if you want to do the periodic table, chemical equation, balancing, IUPAC, all you do it by writing. Equations, formula, you write it properly. Okay, don't see the formula, don't see the equation ki 2 C2H5OH plus Na is equal to so and so. You do it by writing twice or thrice. And in the biology also, you know, there is a chances of the spelling mistake in the terminologies. In the biology, do it all by writing. Now 5:30 to 6, again the time of short break with the tea and light snack. Okay student. Now student, 6 to 8, you fix for the altogether revision. Whatever you did in the whole day. You can do one more thing, you divide 1 hour for the insufficient topic which you have not done in the whole day properly, that 6 to 7, then 7 to 8 whole revision, whatever you did. Okay student, so 6 to 8 is the time of revision. Now student, 8 to 9, again the long break. The long break means you divide the 8 to 9 for dinner, for some time with the family members and time with your younger brother, sister, with a lot of fun. Okay student. Now student, 9 to 10:30 you spend the time for Hindi, English, computer, whatever be the additional subject. Okay student, only 9 to 10:30 is sufficient. Now student, 10:30 to 11 again we relax, and 10:30 to 11 specially I will advise you do the self-analysis. Now is a self-analysis means revision of the whole day, not for the academic, not for the study wise, and do some meditation 2 to 3 minutes and thanks to Almighty God for the whole day. Okay student, at 11 o'clock you take the warm milk. It is must. It will energize you, it will give you the energy along with the pH management. Okay, you can see in the chemistry the milk help us to regulate the pH of body. And you know, I think the pH, what is the meaning of pH? Acidic level and basic level in the body. Okay student, so this will make your digestion properly. Now you utilize this timetable at least for 8 to 10 days. Then if you need, then you can increase the study time either in a late night 2 hours or in the early morning 2 hours. It depends on you. Listen student, it is not necessary to have a late night study or earliest morning study. It depends on you. If suit to your body, then you go for that. Otherwise, this ideal timetable is perfect for you. You can achieve the maximum marks. Okay student, if any query regarding this, you write in the comment box. All the best.